Okay, this is gonna be easy. Sorry, buddy. I'm almost there. I've never been this far before, dude. I'm about to win. Bro, he's coming. He's coming. Shoot. Good book. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? Dude. Wait, did you just lose your iPad? Like my costume?
Yo, that's so cool. How are you doing that?
Got a Nimbus 2000.
Oh, I see.
Mirror.
Wait, is that my longboard?
Oh, Longboardium Leviosa!
Zach, my longboard! Come on, man, get back here! Dude, no!
Game point. Point. Woo! Good game. Get your Monday.
Wait, what?
Come on, Zach. You asked me to get you in shape, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. Come on, get those elbows out. Let's make this happen. Let's go. It's gotta hurt. New year, new you. 2020 is yours, man. Let's make it happen. I need some water. Hey, what? Get out of here.
What style are we going for today?
I would really love this style.
Oh, yeah, love it. Here.
Oh my gosh!
I love it. It's great.
Whoa! Oh my gosh!
That's crazy. Here, give me your hand. There he is. Don't move. Hey, dude, freeze. So I have a really special item inside of this hat that I want to show you. Are you kidding me? That's so annoying. Okay, got my charger here. Plug in. Okay, here we go. Get over there. Oh, almost there. Just go. And oh, okay. All right, so as I was saying, inside this hat I have a really special item. No. Cannonfall! Hoop. Oh. Cannonfall! Hoop. No! That's disturbing. Help me spread the love by liking this video in 3, 2, 1. Ninja Cupid. I'm about to win Minesweeper. Wait, what? No. Frozen? Are you kidding me? Come on. Oh, shoot. This is how I play games against myself. Rock, paper, scissor. Rock, paper, scissor. Rock, paper, scissor. Ha! I need friends. Oh, wow, that's fast. Okay, buddy, time to go home. Oh, good job, buddy. Good day's work. Come on. So the laws of physics state that what goes up must come down unless you're a magician. Coming. So I just was on my last roll of toilet paper here, but I found out there's this cool hack you can do.
If you put it right out to the lens and pull back, there's an extra roll for you. All right, hope you guys are doing okay.